So we are going to learn network automation. Right now, why we need network automation? First, we need to understand the problems in the current network right now. Okay, suppose when there are many routers connected with each other. Okay, suppose these are your different cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata, all are connected. So when you have very big network, you need more staff. So right now, another problem, if any engineer you are hiring, many engineers, like you need expertise on one vendor. Suppose you have Cisco devices, like these devices are Cisco, you need Cisco engineers. If you have Juniper devices, you need Juniper engineers. Okay, so if you have Arista company devices, you need Arista engineers. So this is why companies are looking for multi-technology or multi-skill engineers also. But this is very rare that one people know all the things. Okay, all what they are doing, like they are working on these devices and daily either they are checking the logs, either they are doing some configuration, but most of the things what a network engineer is doing right now, it's not productive. So right now, whatever the work they are doing, they are all repetitive tasks. So we need to eliminate these repetitive tasks. So this is the problem. तो जब network automation की बात आती है, what is the advantage of going to the network automation? When we are going to configure the network automation, it is we are going to automate means automatically things will happen, like which things, like configuration. Okay, we will also test the configuration. Okay, we will also deploy the things, like all the configuration, test, everything will be done automatically. Everyday task like backup, okay, like checking the health of device, okay, basic functions, all will be done automatically. Repetitive task will be eliminated. Or will be controlled, and also it will also improve my network service. So most of the network issues comes with the human errors also. When you are actually doing automation, it is rare that humans will do mistakes. So there are multiple like automation, like right now the network automation going well in the data center networks. So in data center, there are many advanced devices, okay, very big devices or the high-end devices called Nexus. And these all devices are controlled by one controller, which is called Epic. Or this is also known as ACI also, Application Centric Infrastructure. So all these devices, if you have many devices, so they all can be controlled in the data center with this technology called Epic. So automation is doing good in the data center and network. So the same way, cloud is going well in the market right now, cloud networks. Right now, if you talk about AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud Platform, even there also, there are some scripts, there are some concepts which is like a Docker, Kubernetes. There are many things in cloud network also. The things are getting automated. Like suppose you want to run 100 Linux servers and you need to install maybe some application on 100 Linux server. So this type of automation you will see in the cloud network automations or cloud automations. तो data center और cloud में तो हो ही रहा था अभी तक, but right now even the wireless networks are getting automated. So wireless network, the best example of wireless network is Cisco Meraki. There is a solution from Cisco which is called Cisco Meraki. This is a wireless SDN solution, or what we call automation solution, where you will control the Wi-Fi of all the locations from one place. Like all your Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata, New York, Dubai, all things can be all Wi-Fi controlled from one place, which technology is known as Cisco Meraki. Okay, so now we have new technologies in the market from past few years. So in the local area network, this technology is known as SD. Cisco call this is SD access. तो ये एक टेक्नोलॉजी जिसे बोलते हैं SD access. And in the WAN, there is a technology which is called SD WAN. So, but yes, these are the network automation things. Both technologies are doing good in the market. SD WAN is more popular, but SD access is also doing good in the market.